Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Danielle-ish. If you've never been here before, it's nice to meet you. I am really kind of stoked because today I did something super dark, super gaudy, super gothic, kind of just like, I don't know, super awesome. So I'm really excited with how this look turned out. I think it's super grungy, but it's adorable. I can't wait to show you guys how I did this look, so please don't forget to subscribe if you're excited about what you're gonna see next, and just keep on watching. So I'm gonna start today by doing my primer, and today I'm gonna mix two of them. I'm gonna mix my Becca First Light Priming Filter and my Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer, and I'm going to use these on my face. I'm going to take this out. I'll put it back in. Get my T-zone. For foundation today, I'm going to use my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. It's been my favorite right now. My Tarte Shape Tape Concealer right on top. Now that my foundation is done, I'm going to go ahead and take one of my BH Cosmetics brushes and the Rimmel London Match Perfection Powder, and I'm just going to set my face. I don't usually bake my under eyes, but today I'm going to, just because the look that I'm going to do today I'm kind of nervous about. It's really dark, but I'm excited, and it definitely is probably going to have some fallout. Let's do this so that I can just wipe it away when it's done if fallout happens to occur. Okay, so today I'm going to start out using my Jeffree Star Androgyny palette. This palette has really great transition shades, and it kind of has the browns and orange tones that I'm looking for. So I'm actually going to use 3 colors in this palette, but I'm going to start out with this color right here. It's called Safeword. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in, and we're going to get started on my eyes. I'm going to go in with my Morphe M576 brush. This is a really good blending brush, and I'm actually going to go and bring in this color Arm right here. Look to be insanely blended. Like, I'm going to spend most of my time on this look just blending. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of this Dominatrix. Now I'm going to start going in with the main color here, which is going to be black. And I'm a little nervous because black is really hard to do. I'm actually going to go in with my Vintage Cosmetics liner, and I'm just going to start to smudge this on my lid. I'm going to take a Morphe M578 brush, and I'm just going to start to smudge it out. I'm going to go back in with Safeword again. Now we're going to bring some black shadow into this. I'm going to go in with this APHRODITE Bad Habit palette, and this palette has a really great rich black. It's called Heartbreaker, and it's right here at the bottom. So I'm going to go in with my same Morphe brush I've been using and just lightly dip into that and start blending it in to the brown. Take my Morphe R39 brush and I'm just gonna touch a little bit of charm into the top here, bring some color back at the top. Now I'm gonna go ahead and brush away all my fallout, and we're gonna go ahead and take a flat brush and we're gonna go back into the black one more time and just lightly pack it on there. Make sure it's as dark as we need it to be. My lower lash line, I'm going to take my Coastal Scents brush in the BRC N14 and I'm going to go back in with Safeword and Charm and I'm going to line the bottom lash line. I go in with Dominatrix, which is the dark brown in the palette. I'm going to take the vintage black liner. With my small Morphe brush, and I'm going to buff out the bottom again. Eyeliner, so I'm gonna take my e.l.f. liquid liner in jet black and we gonna get her done. I am going to do my eyebrows. I'm just going to stick with a really natural brow today, so I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics Brow Power Brow Pencil. Now that I have my eyebrows done, I am going to go ahead and use my mascara. I am really excited because I'm actually trying out a brand new mascara and there's been a huge hype on the internet. It's been massive, and it's the new Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. I do only have the sample size, but I am so excited. And if this is as good as everybody is saying that it is, then I will probably very well be purchasing this on my own. So we're gonna go ahead and coat our lashes. We're gonna see. Wow, this is an amazing mascara. I don't know if you guys, it's really hard to tell because my makeup is so black, but this mascara is phenomenal. Mascara is amazing. This is crazy. Wow. Cool. Okay, so there is a part about my eye look that I've been so excited about, but I'm also very, very nervous about. Recently, I purchased the Too Faced Glitter Pop Peel Off Eyeliner. I'm really excited about this. This color is actually in the color Lucky Bitch, which may be just perfect for this gold and grungy look that I have today. So I went ahead and I purchased this eyeliner, and I have something that I want to do with it, but I'm really, really nervous. So I am just gonna take glitter and do what I want to do, and we'll see how this turns out. I'm so nervous because if I mess this up, then I have to redo my entire look and I'm gonna lose my mind. So let's see. I'm not sure how this is gonna look in the end, but we're doing something different today. Wow, this is crazy. Okay, what I'm also gonna do is I'm also going to put some glitter in the corner of my eye and use some of this glitter that I got off Amazon. I have not meant for this look to be natural. Okay, this is kind of a crazy look I'm doing today. So now I'm going to put on some lashes. Today for lashes, I'm going to go in with my favorite Mimi lashes from Lex Unlimited, and I'm gonna put these on and I will be right back. So my eyes are done, this crazy intense look, and so now to complete my face, because I'm looking a little pale, I am going to contour and bronze. So today for contouring, I'm going to use my go-to palette, the Morphe 9C palette, and I'm going to use the Crown Pro brush that I got in my BoxyCharm this month, and we're going to just start to carve things out a little bit. So today I am going to use my Tarte Amazonian Clay palette, or little thing, and I'm just going to super bronze up my face, because with the dark look it kind of takes all the color away from me because I am so pale. So we're gonna go ham with the bronzer today. Sticking with the gold theme today, I'm going to use my Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the color Illuminati. And this is a loose powder, so you can get it everywhere, just like I just did. So don't do that. And I'm going to take my other crown brush and I'm going to get it a little bit wet using my Cover FX Illuminating Spray. So I'm just going to spray this brush and dip it into the lid of the glow powder and get my highlight on. I love this highlighter. It is so epic and it is so good. I'm also going to take a small brush and just do a little bit on my brow bone. This stuff all over the place. I've made a mess. So last but not least, we are going to do our lips, my lips. If you are following this tutorial, then your lips as well. Okay, so I don't really have a true nude, so I'm going to mix two of my BareMinerals. I'm going to mix the color Wink in a matte, and then I'm going to mix the color Popular in a gloss. You guys, so this is going to be the end of this look. It's just super grungy and super different than what I normally do, but I found a couple people on Instagram and different YouTubers that did similar looks, and I am really excited with how this came out. So if you guys would like to see more from me, please let me know in the comment section below. I will post all of the products that I used in the description box, and you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy my content. If you super enjoy my content, then you can go ahead and hit the little ding-a-ling button next to the subscribe button. It's super cool. It's this cool thing where like you hit it, and then when I post a video, you know about it right away. It's awesome. So if you guys want to do that, please do so. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.